Well, I like to paint implements and people in the fields because I think sometimes we drive by fields and here in the county and we see all this beauty, but we don't realize how many people's lives depend on what we're seeing, and how many people it takes to grow the crops that we buy in the store and eat without thinking about it. And I have these wonderful men that I know who've been gracious enough to let me paint them, and I'm just thrilled to paint agricultural workers.